Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Samsung Electronics today announced the Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, marking a new era for smartwatch innovation. They are the first smartwatches to feature the new Wear OS powered by Samsung, built jointly with Google, and are equipped with One UI Watch, Samsung's most intuitive user interface yet. The Galaxy Watch 4 series is bolstered with advanced hardware performance and delivers a more seamless and connected user experience than ever before.